Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear children of grade 8th standard. So today we are going to do the fifth lesson of your supplementary reader, and the name of the lesson is Princess September. Children, before we start this lesson, let me brief you something with the lesson. Now let me tell you that this is an interesting story that talks about the love and bond of humans and birds. Freedom is the basic right of every individual. No one should take it away for his own greed. Doing good always pays back in the many folds. Now, these are the basic things that we are going to learn from this lesson. Now, the princess was a good human being, children, and her essential goodness was reflected in her behavior with the bird. She believed in live and let live. What do we call this live and let live in Hindi? Jio or Jeene do. In contrast to her, her sisters did evil and received the evil fate in return. So, here we are proving that quotation true. Kar bhala to ho bhala, kar bura to ho bura. Now, let us begin this lesson. Chapter 5, Princess September. Princess September, like each one of her numerous sisters, receives the gift of a parrot in a golden cage on her father's birthday. The parrot dies, and by chance, a singing bird comes in its place. The princess shows off her pet to the sisters, who advise her to put it in a cage. Now, here a brief introduction is given in the form of 3 points that tells us that this story is about a princess whose name is September, and her sisters are suggesting her to keep her bird in the cage. That means she was not in favor of keeping the birds in cage. Let us read the story, my dear children. I hope you must have all kept the book in front of you while I am reading and explaining, so that you can correlate the reading and explanation easily. And yes, of course, if you find any difficulty in understanding, please do mention it in the comment section below, right? Okay, let us begin. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. One day, the king decided to call them January, February, March, though of course in Siamese, till he came to the youngest, whom he called September. Now, here in the first paragraph, children, we read that the king and queen of Siam. Now, Siam definitely must be a place, but where it is, let me tell you. Here you can see in your textbook, the word meanings are given. Siam is now Thailand. So, the Siam must be some place in Thailand, but the olden times, Thailand was called Siam. Now it is called Thailand. So, the king and queen of Siam, they had many daughters. So, number of daughters are not told. Okay, but they had many daughters. What did the queen said? The queen said that she usually get confused in remembering the names of all the daughters. Okay, children. So, what did king do? The king said the king gave all the daughters a different name. What were the different names? These were the name of the months. Now, definitely here in this lesson we are going to call them as January, February, March, April. But in Siamese language, definitely the months would be different. But here where we are reading the lesson, we come to know that the king started giving them names of month. He called all her daughters by names of month. That means the eldest one would be called January. Now, what is eldest? Eldest means sabse bada. Youngest means sabse chota. So the eldest daughter was called January, second was February, March, and likewise the youngest of all was September. दैट मीन्स जो सबसे छोटी बेटी थी उसका नाम सितंबर था. नाउ कैन यू टेल मी दैट हाउ मेनी डॉटर्स द किंग एंड क्वीन हैड? Yes. How can we tell us? How can you tell us? By counting the number of months. January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5, June 6, July 7, August 8 and September 9. So, how many daughters did the king and queen had? The king and queen had 9 daughters. And the youngest of all was September. Yes, let us come to the second paragraph, children. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. What is peculiar? Peculiar का मतलब होता है अजीब. Okay. So राजा जो था उसकी एक बहुत ही अजीब सी हैबिट थी, अजीब सी आदत थी. What was it? Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave them. Now, what was peculiar in his habit, children? Let me tell you that generally on your birthdays, who receives the gift? You receive the gift. If it is your birthday, you will receive the gift. If it is somebody else's birthday, you give them gifts, right? So the birthday boy or birthday girl is getting the gifts. But the different habit of King of Siam was that he used to give away the gifts on his birthday. He did not take the gift, but he used to give gifts. So one year on his birthday, on whose birthday? On King's birthday. On one year on King's birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. So what is handy? Handy means which is immediately available. So on one of his birthday, he decided to give a pet parrot to all his daughters, and those pet parrots were in the golden cage. The princes were very proud of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. So all the 9 princesses, they were really very happy on receiving such pets. And parrots, these are the birds which can be easily taught to speak. So what did these princes used to do? These princes, they used to teach every day 1 hour. They used to spend 1 hour every day on these parrots, on their own parrots, and they used to teach them speaking. Okay, so many of the parrots of various belonging to various princesses, right? What did they started speaking? Let us see. The princes were very proud of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. Presently, all the parrots could say, "God save the king," and some of them could say, "Pretty Polly," in no less than 7 Oriental languages. So these are such a quick learners, these parrots are such quick learners that within very less time, many of the parrots were able to say, "God save the king" and "Pretty Polly." But not only in one languages, but in around 7 Oriental languages. Now what is Oriental? Countries of East. Okay. So they were able to speak in 7 different languages. They were able to speak "God save the king" and "Pretty Polly." Okay. Now here we go. Next paragraph. But one day, when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. So what happened, children, one day? When she went early in the morning to see her parrot, it was lying dead in the golden cage. That means the parrot of Princess September had died. She burst into a flood of tears. Now what is this phrase meaning? Flood of tears. Now flood of tears means she cried very much. Okay, lot of crying. This phrase is used to signify the lot of crying. So because why she cried a lot? She cried a lot because she loved the pet very much, and now it was died. So she burst into flood of tears, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. Now what are maids of honor children? Maids of honor किसे कहते हैं? Maids of honor उन्हें कहते हैं those who are attending princess, जो राजकुमारी, जो princess के आसपास रहती हैं, उनका काम करती हैं, उन women को maids of honor कहा जाता है. So she cried so much that maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was stuff and nonsense and the child had better go to bed without any supper. So ये जो maids of honor थी वो बहुत ही घबरा गई और उन्हें समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या करना चाहिए. So what did they do? They told the queen. What did they tell the queen? They told the queen that Princess September's pet had died and she's crying very much. Now the queen got angry. She said, how did she reply? She said that it was a stuff and nonsense. ये एक nonsense है, ये एक बुद्धिमानी की बात नहीं है. That why it is a nonsense? Crying after a living creature was a nonsense. So she got angry and she told the maid of honor that put her in her bed. उसे उठाओ और उसे अपने बेड पर छोड़ दो. And do not give her supper. और उसे खाने के लिए भी कुछ मत देना. Do not give her food. So this was queen who was very angry. Now the maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. So maids of honor, they also left her because they have to attend a party. उन्हें एक party में जाना था. So they left her and Princess September, she was all alone now. And while she lay in her bed crying, still, even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. She wiped her tears and sat up. Then the little bird began to sing, and he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore, and she quite forgot that she had had no supper. That was a very nice song, she said. Now what has happened children here? That when maids of honor had left Princess September, जब maids of honors ने Princess September को अकेले छोड़ दिया and they all went for the party. She was all alone. Princess September felt hungry. उन्हें भूख भी लग रही थी. But still she did not go for having some food. By the time there came a little bird. Little bird hop into her room. Hop करना मतलब jump करना. तो एक छोटा सा जो बर्ड है वो प्रिंसेस सितंबर के रूम में आ गया. शी वाइप्ड हर टीयर्स एंड सैट अप. उसने अपने आंसू पोंछे और वो बैठ गई. देन द लिटिल बर्ड बिगैन टू सिंग एंड एज ही sang a beautiful song that soothed her heart. So Princess September ने जब उसका गाना सुना, she was really very happy. उसे वो इतना अच्छा लगा कि उसकी भूख के बारे में भी भूल गई. She forgot to eat. She was very happy. And at the end of the song, what did Princess September say? She said, that was a very nice song. The little bird gave her a bow. अब जब लिटिल बर्ड को अप्रिशिएशन मिला, प्रिंसेस सितंबर ने ये कहा कि दैट वाज अ वेरी नाइस सॉन्ग, वो बहुत अच्छा गाना था. द बर्ड गेव हर अ बो. बो मतलब झुकना. वो उसके सामने झुका और थैंक्स बोला. नाउ व्हाट इज बोइंग? झुकना क्या होता है बेटा? When you bow somebody in front of somebody, it is a gesture of accepting the things or saying thank you. Okay, so the bird bowed in front of the princess. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? अब उसके बाद उस बर्ड ने उससे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा कि क्या तुम मुझे अपने पैरट की जगह रखोगे अपने पास? Said the little bird. It's true that I'm not so pretty to look at, but on the other hand, I have a much better voice. So he asked the princess about whether the princess could keep the bird instead in place of parrot. And after that, immediately he said that, I know that I'm not as beautiful as your previous bird, but definitely I have a very beautiful voice. Princess September clapped her hands with delight, and then the little bird hopped onto the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. So, when the bird said that he wanted to stay with Princess September agreed, and she was so happy that she started clapping. वो तालियां बजाने लगी with delight. Delight का मतलब होता है खुशी से, out of joy. So वो खुश होके clap करने लगी. And then the little bird hopped onto the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. और उसके बाद bird ने बहुत ही प्यारा मीठा गाना गाया जब तक कि Princess September सो ना गई. So this is how the little bird sang beautifully, and the princess was able to sleep. Now that's all for today, children. I hope you must have understood. If you have any doubt, I told you in the beginning that you must write it in the comment section. We will continue the next part according to the timetable. Till then, take care of yourself and have a great day ahead.